Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and in today's video I'm going to take you antiquing and thrifting. I am just going really to kind of browse. I don't have anything in mind to actually buy, but if something speaks out to me, I will go ahead and get it. At the thrift store, I am looking for some bakeware. I do plan on going a little more homestead living. We do plan on raising chickens very soon, and we expanded our little garden, our vegetable garden. We have expanded it, and we're going to grow a lot more this year. So I want to start making batches of bread here at the house. So I need more bakeware and stuff like that, and an apron. So I will see if I am lucky enough to find any of those items at the thrift store, antique store, for a good price. And also creatively, I am hitting some block. I don't know what it is, but not too sure what to do for spring, and it's getting very late in the season, right? I guess in the YouTube world. So I have been doing little touches of spring here and there with no real theme in mind, just allowing the faux greenery to kind of stand out and just add, freshness to my space. But in the hutch and in the kitchen area, I'm kind of spacing out, don't know exactly what to do. So I also want to go to the thrift stores and to the antique stores mainly to get any inspiration from their spring setup with their decor and everything. So let's go ahead and browse around. So immediately at this first booth, I absolutely loved a lot of the floral printed plates, but I held myself back from buying any of them as I already have a lot of plates as it is, and I don't need to be stacking on more plates. And I really liked that picture, but I did not like the price, and I saw a bunch of copper pieces, but I'm also holding back on buying any more copper because I did a little rearranging in my dining area. So the current copper pieces, I need to figure out where I want them to live. So for right now, I'm holding back on getting any more copper. I've also been playing with the idea of possibly changing my dining room or dining area table. I want something a little more primitive, but I am not wanting to pay a whole lot for it. I'm also loving this bench, and I thought it was a good price. However, I didn't want to purchase it on this date. If you saw my last antique and haul with me video, you would have seen that print, and it didn't have a price, so now it does, and $25 wasn't too bad. I just wouldn't know where to put it, but I will be back for it if it's still there. I really loved this booth. I thought it was so eclectic. It had a lot of stuff that I liked, but it was very pricey, so I did not purchase anything from here. if you've been watching my thrift videos, you know that I got some of these decoys for $3.99. I got two of them at Goodwill a couple weeks ago, and I saw this one and it wasn't badly priced. However, I was wanting to stick to really inspirational pieces that I wanted to bring home because they inspired or sparked that spring vibe. So this thrift store, I haven't been in here in a year, and I came by their lamp section and I really loved this one. I didn't pick it up, it was only $10, but it would have been really nice if I knew where exactly I wanted to put it. And again, I came across these cute copper pieces, but I left them there. I do not know where else I would put more copper right now. And I found that blue windmill kind of Dutch tile plaque thing, and it was so cute, but I didn't have at the time in mind where I would put it, so I left it. And I did like all of these plates, and I love how they were priced, and they were all Falstaff branded plates, but I did not pick any of these up. I really liked this particular frame and print. I thought it was so pretty and it looked springish, and I just couldn't figure out where I would put it, so I left it behind. It was only $10, so hopefully it's there if I ever find a spot for it. So now I'm at my favorite thrift market, and this particular booth just had a lot of spring and Easter decor that was so cute. I really liked that rabbit print, and I saw this print and it was tucked underneath the shelf, and I really liked it, and I didn't take it though because I have a lot of prints and frames as it is. So I left it there, and I came across this pitcher and bowl, and I thought it was really neat, but again, I left it there. I don't need any more pictures as of right now. I also saw these really darling cute ducks, and I thought they were so cute, and I really wanted to take them. They were super great price, but I just again didn't know where I would put them. And they were glass, so I didn't bother to bring them home. They would probably get broken. And I came through the thrift section of cookware here, and I was looking through a lot of utensils and pans for breads and also for cookies and stuff like that. So I am just browsing, seeing what I can take home. So I'm going to share with you a couple things that I got at the thrift store. I found some things that I can use for baking, and also my little one is starting to get at that age where I can start feeding her food. So I want to do the natural route. I got this book called Sage Spoonfuls, and it's simple recipes, healthy meals, and happy babies. And this lady, I've never heard of her, but her name is Liza Huber, and she's a pediatrician, a mother of 3, and I guess she did everything really naturally. So what I love is, as I was browsing through it, is it shows you like the benefits of making food from your home. So I thought that was very informative. And then so I like how it talks about tools, how to shop, prepare, cooking, pureeing, serving, and storing, and making different combinations. Goes by the months when it's good for them to eat it. And then I was able to get 2 of these. I don't know what year they are, but they look pretty old. The Pyrex. And then I got them for $1.85 each. I bought 2 of these. So I have one at home, and the recipe that I use makes 4 loaves of bread, but I always cut it in half to use the same container and do 2 instead of 4. So I'm glad that now I have 3 altogether, so I can make however much more I want to make. So I got that at the thrift store. At the antique store, I did not get anything. I pretty much just walked and walked and walked, and I did kind of somewhat see stuff that I was kind of playing around with the idea of possibly getting, but ultimately I don't want to just buy stuff because then it just accumulates, and I don't want to have to deal with where to store it. I'm being very selective in my options, or in my, when I'm selecting things, I'm being very, very selective in what I want to bring to the house. At another thrift store that I have not gone in a long time, I think already it's been a year. I don't know why I don't go as often, maybe because it's smaller, but I went and I ended up finding a couple of pieces of clothing, and I think I got one shirt for $1 and then another for $3, and then the dress I got it for $6. So at Goodwill I found 2 shirts, a green one and another like Old Navy flowery shirt, and I got these for like $2 and change, sorry, each. So I thought those were good pieces. So I was able to get at least 5 pieces of clothing to wear, so that's always fun. But I did not find any like spring decor for you guys. I also forgot to mention, at that thrift store that I hadn't gone for a year, I ended up buying a glass pitcher. It came out to $3. I've been searching for one. It was just like the right size that I was looking for, and I liked the style of it, so I went ahead and got that. But other than that, I did not get any home decor this time around. So I still hope that you enjoyed watching and browsing at the antique store and thrift stores with me, even though I didn't really take any home decor home with me this time. So I hope you still enjoyed that, and I do plan on sharing more like homestead living videos or simple living videos. Like I said at the beginning, that we want to start just living off our land as much as we can, to eliminate costs. You know, if I don't have to buy tomatoes or bread or certain veggies. I know my husband's planting corn this year, so stuff like that. The more that I can eliminate buying from the store, the more it will be better and possibly healthier for us to do that. I hope that in the future, if I post videos of, you know, different meals using the things that we grow here in the house, that you would tune in. So let me know in the comment section if that would be something of interest. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. I know I have a lot of new friends here on my channel, so I want to say thank you for being here. Thank you for commenting, and just thank you for being you. And I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I just hope you have a great week. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.